Hi, and thank you for your purchase. And today I'm going to do a walkthrough on the use of your brand new purchased Thanksgiving 2022 memory book slash scrapbook. So basically what you do here is you open this in GoodNotes, and this is the layout that you'll see. I'm typing in a title for the hyperlinked tab. So I'm going to put this on number 1. And let's go ahead and get that typed out. And as you can see, it's very easy, especially if you know how to use GoodNotes. And then I do have a tutorial on how to use the different note-taking apps. That link is provided in your PDF file. So we're going to go ahead and place this text here. And then we are going to go ahead and decorate maybe one or two of the pages. And sometimes the text can be a little tricky, which you just have to work with it. But if you're very well versed in doing text in GoodNotes, then it should be no trouble for you. So let's go ahead, and now we're on the next page, and I'm just going to show you a simple layout, and this is just a walkthrough on different things you can do in your plan or in your memory book with the stickers that are included with the kit. This right here is a journal box, so you could take text there and write on the box, turn that writing into text. And I'm just basically placing a picture. Now, a note for GoodNotes: anytime you want to layer things, you want to put down the thing that you want on the bottom first, and then whatever you want on top goes next, so it doesn't reverse layer. So I'm just stretching this picture out a bit just to get it to fit into the frame, and then I'm going to lay that frame on top of the picture, and that frame is included in your sticker kit. It is transparent. It's just a basic frame, but it definitely looks beautiful on top of the picture. Oh, and it does have a tack on the top as if you tacked it to the page. And the pages are mulberry texture. So that was a good little find. And it definitely mimics the true to life mulberry texture paper. So we're just going to go ahead and get this size done in there. And then also the first tab, or the first divider, which is section 1, that tab is also hyperlinked. And the pretty thing about that tab, I actually used a cardboard texture, but it was a deep chocolate cardboard, so it kind of comes off as leather. So I thought that was a good touch for this particular memory book. So then I'm going into download or upload some of the stickers into the file, or excuse me, to the memory book. And this is the sticker pack that comes with your purchase. So let's throw a nice little piece of pie or a pie up in here. And then just basically layering on different elements, just doing it the way you want to, how you want your layout to look. This is just an example of some of the things you can do with the layout stickers and the different stickers for the memory book. And that is one of the saying stickers. So those are already pre-colored. Just drop and put them where you want them to go. And we're just going to pause here as I believe I'm going to type text here. Yes. So I'm going to go ahead and label my first divider tab. And all these tutorials on how to use GoodNotes, Note Shelf, are linked in your PDF file that you got with your purchase, so you can watch videos and tutorials on how to maneuver around the software if you're not exactly familiar with that. But I love this feature where you can write and then it turns it into text, and then you pick your font that you want to use for that particular writing. So we're just going to go ahead and get that centered on there. And we should be moving on to the next 2 pages. So after the dividers, you just have the 2 pages in open book form. So here I'm not going to talk through, I'm just going to let the video play through showing the layout that I created with the sticker kit and everything included with your purchase. And again, thank you very much for your purchase. I hope you enjoy the walkthrough. Any questions, feel free to email me, and also don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification button so that you can get notification of my other videos walking through the different memory album creations that I have available in my Etsy shop. And all links to my Etsy shop and other social media platforms are down below. And again, thank you for your purchase, and I'll talk to you later. Bye.